Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to cancel order in Grabfood. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So, if you're having problems or if you want to cancel your order due to unfortunate circumstances, well, there is a way for it to cancel your order, but there are a few things that you need to understand. Now, to keep this short, the first thing you need to understand here is you can only cancel your order if your order fits the criteria. Now, if your order is still being prepared, you'll have the option to cancel your order. But if your order is already on the way, well, you won't be able to cancel your order. So that's kind of like a hassle here. But then again, if it's still in the kitchen, well, you can cancel your order. How do you actually do it? So first things first is you want to go ahead and just open up your order page here, and you want to go and click on the Get Help button at the top right of your screen. Now, if canceling your order is still available to you, let's just say like your order is still being made, you can go and click on cancel order. And from then on, you just need to confirm that you really want to cancel your order here, and you should be able to cancel your order. Now, if you can't use the cancel my order function here, well, in some cases, like the store or the restaurant uses their own carrier, or if it's a pickup order, well, the cancel option may not be available due to Grab system. But it depends entirely on where you're using it. But typically, that's how you cancel your order, and that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.